12 inventions that will soon change the world in 2024. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the future with a look at 12 groundbreaking inventions that are set to transform our world in 2024. So let's jump right in and explore the incredible inventions that are on the horizon. Hologram box. The hologram box represents a leap forward in communication technology. This device uses advanced 3D holographic technology to project lifelike images of people, creating the illusion that they are physically present even when they are on the other side of the planet. This innovation is particularly exciting for business professionals, as it allows for immersive meetings and presentations without the need for travel. Imagine discussing a project with your team, where everyone appears as if they're in the same room, regardless of their actual location. For personal use, it means catching up with friends and family can feel much more personal and interactive. The hologram box could revolutionize remote communication, making it as engaging and effective as face-to-face interactions. Neuralink. Elon Musk's Neuralink is a groundbreaking brain-computer interface that aims to bridge the gap between human cognition and digital technology. The core of Neuralink's innovation is its neurochips, which are designed to be implanted in the brain to facilitate direct communication between neurons and computers. These chips could enhance cognitive functions, assist in medical conditions such as paralysis, and even enable telepathic communication. Imagine controlling devices or accessing information just by thinking about it. Neuralink promises to open up new possibilities for both medical applications and everyday technology use, potentially transforming how we interact with the digital world and how we enhance our own mental capabilities. Lenovo ThinkBook. Lenovo's ThinkBook is not your average laptop. It's a glimpse into the future of computing. This device features a transparent display and operates without a traditional physical keyboard. Instead, it uses a virtual keyboard projected onto the surface of the screen, which can be customized and adjusted for different tasks. The ThinkBook also integrates artificial intelligence and augmented reality, allowing users to overlay digital elements onto their physical environment. This combination of transparency and advanced tech creates a unique user experience, blending the real and virtual worlds in ways previously seen only in science fiction. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge features, the ThinkBook could set new standards for how we interact with technology. Versatile robot. The Versatile Robot is a remarkable creation designed to adapt to various functions and tasks. Whether you require a 3D printer, a laser engraver, or a coffee maker, the Versatile Robot can shift its configuration to meet these needs. Its multifunctionality makes it an invaluable asset in both industrial and domestic settings. Eden ISS. Eden ISS is an innovative agricultural project that has achieved remarkable results by growing fresh produce in extreme conditions. Located in Antarctica, this project utilizes a soilless greenhouse equipped with state-of-the-art aeroponics and LED lighting. By cultivating plants in a controlled environment without soil, Eden ISS can produce a variety of vegetables, including tomatoes, cucumbers, and leafy greens. This technology has significant implications for future farming, particularly in harsh climates where traditional agriculture is challenging. The techniques developed by Eden ISS could pave the way for sustainable food production in Arctic and desert environments, offering a solution to global food security challenges and advancing our understanding of how to grow food in extreme conditions. Invisible Sheet 2.0. The Invisible Sheet 2.0 introduces a novel concept in optical technology. This device uses precision-engineered lenses to make objects behind it appear invisible. Available in several sizes, the largest version can conceal multiple people or objects, making it suitable for various applications from security to entertainment. Crafted from 100% recyclable materials and designed to be waterproof and battery-free, the Invisible Sheet 2.0 combines sustainability with innovation. It represents a significant leap in material science and optics, offering potential uses in areas like military camouflage, privacy enhancement, and creative media. By making things disappear from view, this technology challenges our perceptions of visibility and could lead to new developments in how we interact with our surroundings. Flytrex Dronies. Imagine having your food delivered to your doorstep in just 5 minutes. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, Flytrex is making it a reality. Operating in Texas and North Carolina, these drones can deliver orders within a round-trip range of approximately 8 km at speeds up to 51 km/h. This means your coffee will stay hot and your ice cream won't melt. The service is tailored specifically for suburban areas and doesn't require drone pilots. Instead, a team of operators monitors the flights to ensure safety. Currently, the maximum weight for deliveries is 2.5 kg, but you can get anything from lunch to essentials like toilet paper. Flytrex is paving the way for a new era in rapid delivery services. FASA 35. The FASA 35 drone is a groundbreaking innovation in aerial technology, designed to be a cost-effective alternative to traditional satellites. With its impressive 35-meter wingspan and solar-powered design, the FASA 35 can stay airborne for up to a year while carrying a payload of up to 15 kilos. This drone is capable of various tasks, including setting up 5G networks and monitoring forest fires, making it a versatile tool for both communications and environmental management. Its high speed of around 145 km/h and efficiency in utilizing solar energy make it a revolutionary development in drone technology, with its potential applications expected to reshape the future of aerial surveillance and data collection. Spout Water Extractor. Staying hydrated just got a lot more innovative with the Spout Water Extractor. This device can pull up to 9.5 liters of clean water from the air each day, offering a sustainable alternative to bottled water. It's designed to be 50% cheaper than traditional water delivery services and delivers water that's over twice as clean as tap water. With an installation cost of $600 and a pre-order deposit of $99, Spout provides an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for clean drinking water, addressing both water quality and sustainability concerns. Cybe Fingers. The Cybe Fingers is revolutionizing the world of prosthetics, especially for children as young as 2. This lightweight prosthetic arm weighs as little as 200 grams and is designed to withstand heavy rain. Its touchscreen fingers enable users to interact with smartphones and tablets, while an interchangeable module supports jump rope workouts, enhancing physical therapy. Customizable in color and design, Cybe is tailored to fit the wearer's anatomy and preferences, making it a versatile and practical solution for those in need of a prosthetic. Surge S32. The Surge S32 is a groundbreaking electric vehicle from India that combines the functionality of a rickshaw with the versatility of a scooter. This innovative vehicle can transform from a rickshaw with passenger seating or a cargo platform into a scooter in just 3 minutes, without the need for tools. In rickshaw mode, it can reach speeds of around 45 km/h, while in scooter mode, it can go up to 60 km/h. The Surge S32 caters to a growing market in India, which is now one of the top 3 global car markets, offering a flexible and efficient solution for both passenger transport and cargo delivery. Unitree H1. Meet the Unitree H1, a versatile robot that's pushing the boundaries of robotics. This robot can reach speeds of nearly 12 km/h and is designed to assist in both warehouse environments and entertainment settings. The H1's agility and speed make it ideal for carrying cargo in logistics, but it can also showcase impressive dance moves. With a future goal of reaching speeds up to 18 km/h, the H1 represents a leap forward in robotic technology, offering both practical applications and novel entertainment possibilities. These 12 inventions are set to make a huge impact on our world in 2024. If you're excited about these innovations and want to stay updated on the latest in technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.